I asked ChatGPT to write me an inspiring story, and this was the result. But this story was too short for a YouTube video, so I created this ultimate prompt that generates inspiring stories that are longer than this. This prompt generates the best inspiring story for your new faceless YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can use premium AI tools to generate these types of inspiring videos for free without having to pay a single dollar. These videos have so much potential that even if a cat hears these stories, he becomes a lion. That's not only the thing, but these videos are making countless amounts of money sharing these stories. And I will show you a step-by-step method on exactly how you can do this in an easy way. Building a successful YouTube channel requires time and effort, and you will see results only if you are willing to put your time on it. So if you are really serious about this, I would like you to watch this video from beginning to end and leave a comment that says I will succeed. Now back to the video. First, let's understand the format these video follows. What these videos are doing is trying to solve people's problems. The stories are based on those relevant problems. Based on that problem, a certain story follows, and it gives the solution on how to deal with that problem. This is also the reason that these videos are so viral on all of the social media platforms. These videos don't need too much editing, because it only consists of one background image relevant to the theme of the story followed by the caption in the video. So now that we understand these videos are easy to create, let me show you how you can do it. First, head over to everyone's favorite website, ChatGPT. I have provided this prompt in description, so you are free to grab this. Now, here are a few details that you can fill to get the type of story that you want. Or you can just leave them blank and the ChatGPT will autofill these blanks. For now, I will fill in some details and leave the others blank. I want a story between a boy and a monk. The story would go like this. The boy wants to learn how to avoid the distraction in his life. Now the ChatGPT will generate the full story for you. Now that the story has been generated, I will copy this story. You can paste this story to any note-taking app and make changes as you want. Now it's time to generate text-to-speech. Before that, head over to this website called Leonardo AI to generate an image for your video and thumbnail. This is the free text-to-image generation website. Go ahead and register your account. After the registration, you will come to the home page where you can generate images. Here you can be inspired by the design created by other people. You can find lots of images and take prompt ideas. Now head over to this AI image generation. You can also use their prompt generation tool to generate a better prompt. And you can select between different trained models to generate various types of images. For now, I am using a simple prompt on a boy and a monk. You can also add a negative prompt if you want. Now choose the resolution of 16:9 from here and click on Generate. After this, your image is generated. You can click here to upscale the image that you liked. After that, download this image and let's move into the next step. Head over to this website Clipchamp and register an account. After that, you will come to the home page. Click here to create a new video. You will see this record and create option. After you come here, go to this text-to-speech option. Now paste your script here. For demo purposes, I am only entering a little part of my script. You can enter your whole script here at once. Here you can choose from multiple voices from multiple countries and languages. I am going with this one. After you have chosen your character, click the preview option and your voice will be generated. After this, click on Save to Media. Wait few seconds so that it can load properly. Now drag this to your timeline. After you have generated the voice, come here to import media and upload the image that you have generated before. Add this image to your timeline and extend it till the end from the beginning. Now, we will add the caption in our video. On the right side, top corner you will see this caption option. Select this and click on this Auto Captions button. This will automatically generate a caption in your video. You can choose your language, and after you click here, your caption will be generated in a few seconds. After the caption has been generated, you can edit it and modify the text of it. I am making a few changes. To add music, you will see this music and SFX. From here you can get free to use music. I am selecting one music that is suitable for the story. After adding the music, I am adjusting it in the timeline and also decreasing the volume. I suggest you to keep the volume between 10% and 20% so that it will give calming vibes to the viewers. Now, I am adding an effect in our video so that our video doesn't look dull or motionless. To add some motion and make the video engaging, you can add some effects in your video. Our video is complete. Now you can export the video in full HD. The best part about Clipchamp is that it allows us to export videos in full HD without watermark for free. Our video is finally ready, and now we can upload this video on various social media platforms. But before this, we have to create a thumbnail. Copy the title of our video in the thumbnail. We are using it in our title. Now, to create, head over to Canva.com. It is the best platform for designing YouTube thumbnails and other graphics too. You can choose from millions of pre-made assets, but for now I am going with the empty design. For this, I will choose the YouTube thumbnail from the design. After this, I will upload the image that we have generated using Leonardo AI. I am adding this image and the title of the story, and then I am making the background dark. And I will be decreasing the opacity of the image. I am choosing this font as it matches the theme. I am also changing the color of this text. After this, I will add some shadows in the text. For this, head over to this effects option, and you will see various designs here. Choose this and modify the values. Now that our thumbnail is also ready, export this and the video is ready to be uploaded. We have successfully completed our video creation process in an easy and fastest way possible.